So now we're going to move on to the next question, question 6. It says, excuse me. So in question 6, it's asking for the above diagram, is power being delivered or is power being supplied by this device? Well, first we're going to ignore the fact that they've given us the values of the voltage and the current. First we need to write out, or rather, first we should recall that if the power is positive, so if the sign of the power is positive, then it's absorbing power. If it's negative, as you might expect, it would be supplying power. So they're opposites. So we have to figure out an equation to model the power. So here's the current. Current will always be positive as you model the power in the way that we're about to do it. And then since it goes through the negative terminal first, we're going to put a negative sign in front of the voltage. So if this had been the reverse case, like this, where the signs or the polarity of this device are flipped and the current is still going down like this, the formula for power would be I times positive V, because the current is going through the positive side. But coming back to our problem, the current's going through the negative end, therefore our formula would be negative IV, and now we just plug in for V and I. So we would get that our power is equal to negative 6 times negative 8. And this gives us positive 48. We don't care about the 48. We see that it's positive. Therefore, we say that this device is absorbing power. Okay. So that should conclude question 6.